Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, July 25th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, with the pound dollar, I'm definitely still sticking to this wave C analysis for now. I still think this is a wave A over here. I still think this looks like three waves down for a wave B, and I still think it needs to go up for a big wave C, probably an expanding flat wave C. So heading down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we've definitely been going down pretty strong, but I mean, it definitely doesn't invalidate anything yet. Definitely still looks to me like a wave 1. I still think this looks like a WXY of wave 2. I still think there's a very good likelihood this is a wave 3. It is just going to end up making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and just keep on trending up on these higher time frames for this wave 3. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last push up right here. We definitely do have a breaker structure to the downside, so I definitely would be looking for shorts on shorter time frames. I do expect this move down to most likely be a crescent to this move up. I think it's probably going to end up bouncing off one of these Fibonacci retracement levels and continuing the uptrend. We do have interest rate next week for the US dollar, so maybe that's what's going to drive this thing back up. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, I'm definitely looking for shorts right now. I'm actually already shorted this, been shorts for a few days now. I would expect it to go down at least to one of these Fibonacci retracement levels. Now, if we see a nice 1, 2, 3 waves down to a Fibonacci level with a breaker structure to the upside, doesn't matter what Fibonacci level it is, it just matters the shape that it forms, then I would definitely stop looking for shorts and start looking for longs again. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, based on what we see on the higher time frames, we are definitely looking for shorts right now. I would expect this to actually go beyond the 38%, so I think there's a very, very good likelihood that it will stretch out beyond that level. If it does make another bounce at the fib level, that actually may be a great idea or a great opportunity for us to go short again for the continuation of the downtrend. I think we're most likely in a correction to the uptrend on the higher time frames, but for now, until this correction is proven over, then we are just going to continue to look for shorts. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.